Hey everybody, Traveling with Jack and Pam here, and something new I'm going to start adding to the channel is just when I drive around town, just so you can get a look at what we are looking at here in the Phoenix area. Today it's beautiful, it's sunny, it's going to be about 90 degrees, and I'm attempting to get out on Camelback Drive, Camelback Road. This is one of the busiest thoroughfares in Phoenix, and I'm up there where you get on Highway 51. Those of you that may be familiar with that, that goes north and south. And here we go. And I'm going to be heading home. I had to run over to the store to get some sparkling water. This is a really nice area here along Camelback. And you can see some of the high-rise buildings off in the distance there. Some nice shopping areas off to the right. I was over where they have Trader Joe's and Whole Foods sitting right next door to each other. And you can see actually for this time of day, it's about 11:45 a.m. Really not too terribly crowded or whatever. And that's what's nice. Phoenix is set up on a grid system, so traffic does tend to flow pretty nicely here. It may slow down at rush hour on some of these thoroughfares, but overall it's pretty nice. Notice the bright yellow colors in some of the trees there. What's interesting too, in many of these office buildings, there are restaurants on the bottom floor. There to the right, that's a place called Scramble. And then across the street, off to the left, you probably can't see it, is the Biltmore Fashion Square, which has got some kind of high-end shopping, lots of restaurants there. And of course now we're stopped at a stoplight, so this isn't very exciting. So what do you say we stop the camera? And then we'll pick back up once the light turns green. And we're back and getting ready to go off again. The turn signal light changed, so some of the traffic turning, and here we go. Again, we're heading down Camelback Drive. We'd be heading in the direction of Scottsdale. If you kept going on this, it would take you to downtown Scottsdale, the Old Town area. Maybe on another one of our little driving tours, we'll show that to you. Other thing I like about Phoenix is it's a very clean city. Oh yeah, you can find some tough areas, but overall, really, really nice city. Very, very well maintained. And here we continue on. There's I haven't figured out if that's a hotel or apartments. It's called Biltmore at Camelback. They're on the right. Really nice looking building though. And there are hotels that are in some of the backs of these office buildings and little side streets and such. Continuing on up here, called Biltmore Park. At some point too, we'll drive you over to the Biltmore Resort, which is really close by. You can probably see the mountains off in the distance there, and you may get a little glimpse of Camelback. That's one of the more famous mountains that all of us enjoy hiking from time to time, at least when the tourists aren't here. There's an AC hotel. That's a Marriott property to the right. Far left across the median, that would get you over towards the golf course at the Biltmore. And then up here on the right is a place, BOK Financial. I kept saying Bach Financial. They said, no, it's BOK Financial. Okay, I get it. Off the left, another little nice little shopping area. You got a Safeway supermarket, a really cute coffee shop that I like, and they're locally owned. It's called Hava Java. If you're ever in Phoenix, you want to check it out. And then again, there you get a little better view of the mountain off in the distance. Notice getting a little bumpy ride there. They're doing some off and on, a little bit of construction here and there. Also, quite honestly, I could use some new shocks and struts probably, but I'm too cheap to get them replaced. And then this is heading down North 32nd, and at the very end of the street is Quartz Mountain, and then off to the left, or to the west, would be Piastawa Peak. And along North 32nd, you've got some nice condominiums and apartments, and then you've got some more well-established neighborhoods off to the right there. So again, that's just a little look at our drive around the area. Oh, you know what? We've got time. I'll take you on a little treat here. We're going to go on Biltmore Circle. Now, Biltmore Circle is where you have some incredible homes. You can see Arizona Biltmore Estates. Yours truly will never ever be able to live in this neighborhood because probably a price point, a starting point, is going to be well into the millions. Now, if you look up here, there are a few condominiums, and I've looked at a couple of open houses in there, those straight ahead. They're going to be in the 400s. And again, you're paying for location, location, location. So here we go. We'll just kind of take you on a little quick tour around this. You're going to see the golf course on both sides of the road. I see a tent set up over there, so I guess they've probably got a tournament going on today. Got the little speed bumps. I apologize, not much I can do about those. And so now here we are, Biltmore Circle. Allegedly, lots of very well-to-do people live here, as you would likely expect. And I actually come over here sometimes if I'm not going to hike a mountain, and I'll take a walk. If you walk the entire Biltmore Circle, and you can see there's a jogger there on the right, it's about a little over 2 miles, so to give you a decent little workout. And you can see the views in here, absolutely beautiful. There's orange trees scattered in here. There's palm trees. Hopefully you can see some of the homes that we're seeing. Look at that guy. He's lifting weights while he walks. And then up here on the left, I don't know how many of you remember Paul Harvey. Paul Harvey, of course, is the famous radio host. You might think, oh, a man of simple means. Well, I want to show you his home, which I've never seen anybody here. And when I first moved here, I thought it was a museum. And I was told, no, that's the home of Paul Harvey, the famous radio host. It's coming up here on the left. Let's see if we can kind of turn a little bit. Did you see it there on the left? No, probably not. Because you know what we'll do? We will kind of turn the car around so you can see it. I'm going to make a little maneuver. Probably not going to make the neighbors very happy, but I want you to see it. Okay. There, you see it? Look at that. That is quite the house, is it not? Again, it looks like a big museum, but it's not. It was the home of legendary talk show, radio. It wasn't really a talk show, it was more commentaries. Paul Harvey, good day. And then to the right of Paul Harvey's place is another really huge estate being built. Lots of statues there being put in. Those statues probably cost more than Pam and I paid for our first house. So we've kind of reversed, and we're continuing now on Biltmore Circle to show you some of the homes. I don't know about you, I hate speed bumps. I know they serve a purpose. There's an empty lot on the right. You know, that's one of those cases, if you got to ask how much, you can't afford it. So I'm not going to ask how much is it. This reminds me a little bit of if you're in any of you ever been to Palm Beach and drove through some of those, you know, high-end neighborhoods. That's what this reminds me of. There have been rumors that maybe people connected with Microsoft have a home in here, but this is also a lot of old Phoenix money, because this neighborhood, as you can see by the different house designs, nothing cookie cutter about any of these. They're all very, very unique in design and just absolutely beautiful. There's one to the right there, kind of got that Frank Lloyd Wright look to it, with the lines, you know, how that's going to be. We'll just kind of continue along here, give you a little view from time to time. Oh, this is a really pretty one. Let me, look, I shouldn't turn in the driveway, but I am, just to give you a look. There's that house. Yeah, somebody's going to probably call security on me eventually. Again, this is on Biltmore Circle. This is kind of fun, at least I hope it is for you. Whenever we have guests from out of town, I always bring them over here, and sometimes we walk it, and then other times we would just take the drive like I'm doing for you today. There are several for sale here right now. Not sure what's up with that, other than to believe the market is shifting, and you know, maybe people are needing to get out. Hey, let's we'll kind of just pull in here real quick. I know I'm going to get in trouble for doing this. Look at that one. Oh yeah, is that beautiful? Absolutely gorgeous. I just love all the different designs. Again, because no two homes look the same in here. Look at the beautiful flowers. You've seen those. Man, so if you're ever in Phoenix, put in your GPS that you want to go circle, Biltmore Circle, that is. And I think you will really, really enjoy it. I got a car coming up on my rear end here because there's a house, though, that I wanted to show you. But I may not be able to. Oh, there it is. Let's see. Oh, we'll just pull up the gate. Whatever. Okay, what do you think of that one? Pretty sweet, huh? Let me back off. Don't want to get in trouble. Now, as we round the corner up here, you get a little glimpse of the golf course. And, I'm a golfer, and I'll be honest, I have not really had a huge desire to play this course. It's got a great location, but the course itself is kind of like, it's okay. You could get some discount rates as low as $89 on it, but I gotta tell you, there's a lot of other really great golf courses that you're not gonna pay near that much. There's some folks taking a walk along, and of course you see lots of gardening crews here. Hey, they were taking a little siesta. I don't blame them. It's a pretty warm day. More golfers out there. There's some folks don't know what they're doing. I always get a kick out of when I see UPS or Amazon drivers pulling up here. It's like, what could these people possibly need? But, we all need stuff. So that's the way they do it. Let's see if we can pull in another one and give you another look. Oh, here, we'll just give you a little peekaboo at this one. Okay. That's cool. Look at the double fireplace there. Man. Okay. I hope you're enjoying this. Again, this is just something different that I wanted to put on the channel and that I'm going to start doing from time to time. Just kind of driving around. Another really pretty place there. Hey, here's one that is not all gated up in front, so we'll get a little better look at it. Okay. Can you kind of see it? Beautiful yard. And you may be thinking, well, I heard Phoenix didn't have water. Well, I'm going to tell you, Phoenix, and I've read their plans here, Salt River Project has some of the best water plans in the nation. Now, places like Los Angeles, Vegas, they got to the game late. But Phoenix, they've got a plan. There's also groundwater, abundant groundwater in and around the region that I've heard about. So we're in pretty good shape. And they do good conservation measures as well. Here's some more home. Now we're headed towards the Arizona Biltmore, not to be confused with the Biltmore in Asheville, North Carolina. Here's a home for sale. Kind of get a look at it. What do you think? Should we make an offer? Maybe not today. Of course, they all have the security cameras, so we kind of got to be careful about that. But I don't have my Arizona plates on the back. Here's another one for sale on the right. We can't see it because it's totally gated. I mean, you could see it, but I'm not going to take the phone off the stand there. Again, beautiful, lush vegetation. Okay, so now we're heading towards the Arizona Biltmore. Way off to the left, I'm not going to turn it for you, is the Wrigley Mansion. Maybe another day we'll drive up there. Yeah, the Wrigley Gum. You know who those people are. Okay, we got a golf cart walking across the road. Tournament players. And this again is the Arizona Biltmore Golf Course. Let me, hey, we'll just do a little loopy-loop in here because they just replaced the old clubhouse there on the left with this beautiful new clubhouse up here. And I am hoping at the very least that maybe I can come over and have lunch here one day. I don't know if this can't, there you see it, really nice. And I think it's all valet parking here for the most part. Yours truly is cheap, but sometimes I'll use valet. Just always remember, tip your valet, be generous if you can, because that's a hard job. They're running back and forth and they deal with jerks all day long at times. They live off those tips, and when it's 100 degrees and they're willing to run out there and get your car for you. Oh, now you can kind of see, if you look straight up, that hill there is the Wrigley Mansion I was telling you about. You probably really can't see it that well, overlooking the golf course. Okay, now we'll continue around here and we'll go drive in front of the Arizona Biltmore Resort. Gotta be careful at this intersection. It's hard to see anything coming from the left. And you kind of get a little peek of Camelback Well from the distance there. So, all right, so we're going to turn left here. What's that? They got a special. Hot dog and a Coke for $13 at the golf course. Woo! No, thank you. But anyway, all right, here we are, the Arizona Biltmore. This is a Waldorf Astoria resort property. So that means it's high end, and it's absolutely gorgeous. Look through here. Look at the palm trees, the beautiful flowers. And again, we're not going to go through valet, so we will go to the left, which is through traffic. How about this? See, you get to tour this, and it's not costing you a nickel. Continue back here, and then we're going to turn around because I got to get home. I've actually got a work meeting in a few minutes that I've got to take care of. So we will circle out of here and give you the last part of the view of Biltmore Circle. And then this goes across the canal, this little bridge, because you have these canal systems all over Phoenix. Again, got a plan for water. They're taking care of it. Now, I don't live far from here, but for safety purposes, I'm not going to tell you where I live. But I'm not far from here, so I get to come over here and take walks and explore and bring guests on little driving tours like this or walking tours, whichever they prefer. And now you can see we're back out in front of the Arizona Biltmore. And we're going through here. There's these two guys still walking, not paying a bit of attention in the world. What do you think about that hot dog special? Should we get it $13? No, I don't think so either. And then here's some more really nice condominiums on the right here. And we're just about back to the Paul Harvey house. So once we get there, we're going to shut the camera down and I'll go ahead and get the old tagline out. Be sure and keep subscribing. We do appreciate it. Also, check out the podcast. Come on, we got some golfers here stuck on the road. That podcast is called Love Letters to Pam, but I put a lot of those on. Man, there's like 6 guys at the tee box there. That's too many. All right, rounding the corner. And there you see the Paul Harvey home. It looks like the big museum. They're off to the right. So again, that's your little driving tour for today here in the Phoenix area. Hope you enjoyed it. And we'll do some more of these for you from time to time, okay? So make it a great day. And as I always say, better yet, make it a better tomorrow. Bye now.